Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So I just wanted to keep you guys posted few things related to OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13R. Like for example, if you guys are planning to buy these two devices, then this is the right time because OnePlus is giving few benefits here. And by the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing it because we have a lot of OnePlus users and most of them are worried about green line issues, motherboard dead and other things. That's the reason I'm making this video so that I can explain you guys about the benefits what OnePlus is providing with OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13R. We all know that green line and pink line was a major issue on OnePlus smartphones. It all started from OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus did sort out this issue up to an extent. But with OnePlus 13 series, we have the support of this PVX enhanced edge bonding for the OnePlus 13 screens, which provides an extra layer of protection to the edges of AMOLED screen. And here OnePlus confirms that if any line appears on the device, we will get the free lifetime replacement. But remember guys, lifetime replacement doesn't mean throughout the life, but until the parts are available for those particular devices, which generally would be available for another 3 to 4 years until brand completely stops the manufacturing of parts. And I also spoke to the customer care regarding this. For OnePlus 13 and 13R, both the devices do have lifetime replacement, and it's not like you can only get it once, you can replace the screen multiple times. But there are few conditions, I'll talk about them also. But replacement of screens for those devices excluding OnePlus 13 and 13R are subject to terms and conditions. So make sure if you have any OnePlus smartphone, you use the device with a proper case and avoid any kind of dents on the device. Or major cracks. Still, if your device have any major crack or dent, their engineers will inspect your device, and you know how engineers are with these brands. It all depends on their mood, they might reject the replacement. So make sure your device doesn't have any kind of modifications. Do not repair your device from third party. If you have any issues, get it sorted from OnePlus Service Center itself, and always make sure to use a proper case and a screen protector. And it's not only that this thing is applicable for OnePlus 8 series to OnePlus 12 series. The same thing goes even with the OnePlus 13 series. Here also you need to make sure that you protect your device properly so that there are no major dents. OnePlus 13R is IP65 I guess, and this device which is OnePlus 13, this is IP68 and 69. Still, I won't recommend you to use the device underwater like in swimming pools and other stuff. Because I've seen in past, even Apple denies water damage even after having the IP rating. So if possible, avoid such things. But if you're the one who actually wants to use OnePlus devices, then I would say two devices are there, which is OnePlus 13 and 13R. And the reason behind this is you'll get 180 days of free replacement if anything goes wrong or if you get any other hardware failure issues. These two steps are very big steps taken by OnePlus. Like you can even get the device replaced free of cost within 180 days of purchase. But here there's a catch guys. If you're planning to buy OnePlus 13 or 13R, make sure you purchase the device before 13th Feb 2025. After that, this benefit of 180 days replacement won't be applicable. So you still have time to decide. Before purchasing, make sure to watch the video of OnePlus 13 which we made. I'll leave that video link in the description below. Initially when I bought my OnePlus 13 and I tried activating this thing, it wasn't getting activated. I mean, I wasn't able to claim this 180 days free replacement. But later on, this benefit automatically got claimed. You don't have to do much of things here. You just need to unbox your device and activate the device. But make sure you add your account in the RCC club, which you can find it here in the settings page. On the top side, you add your account here, and after that, just open your account from there itself, and towards the bottom side, you will see an option of benefits. You need to slightly scroll down more and you should see 180 days phone replacement under more awards. Tapping on it, you'll have an option to claim. But here, it automatically gets claimed if you activate your device. Still do an additional step to cross-check whether your device has been activated and whether or not it got this benefit or not. So for that, what you can do, if you scroll down towards the bottom side, there's a link and you need to tap on that link. Here, just enter your valid serial number or the IMEI number and then tap on check now. Just verify yourself and you should see the results. Your product serial number, color, and it will also show you the activation time. And the day your device gets activated, like before 13th Feb, from that day you'll have 180 days, which is equivalent to 6 months. So you'll get 6 months exactly, a worry-free experience while using your OnePlus 13 or 13R. So OnePlus fans who are worried about green line and motherboard issues, then this is the right time to purchase OnePlus 13 or 13R. And as said guys, it is not a sponsored video. I hope you guys will like this information. If so, make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.